What if the answers to life's deepest questions and the secrets to lasting inner peace were hidden in plain sight? Imagine a world where chaos and uncertainty seem to be the only constants. In such times, the allure of ancient wisdom becomes irresistible. Today we delve into the profound depths of Sufism, an esoteric tradition within Islam that has the potential to transform the way you view the world and your place in it. Join us on this journey of discovery as we explore the core teachings of Sufism, its impact on daily life, and its enduring legacy across cultures. Get ready to embark on a transformative experience that will leave you with a renewed sense of purpose and tranquility. Let's get started. Sufism, also known as Islamic mysticism, is a school of thought within Islam that emphasizes the importance of inward contemplation and the pursuit of a personal experience with the divine. It's a path that transcends religious boundaries, touching the hearts and minds of people from all walks of life. At its core, Sufism teaches the oneness of God, known as Tawhid, and the unity of all creation. This belief forms the foundation of a Sufi's worldview, shaping their understanding of the universe and their place within it. The term Sufi comes from the Arabic word sakina, which means pure. It signifies the essential purity of heart and intention that is at the center of this spiritual path. Sufism is not merely a set of beliefs or rituals. It's a way of life that calls for the constant remembrance of God, known as Dhikr. Through repetitive chants and meditative practices, Sufis seek to purify their hearts and approach God more closely. This practice serves as a powerful tool for self-reflection and spiritual growth. One of the central pillars of Sufism is the concept of fana, which means annihilation or disappearance. In the Sufi context, fana refers to the transcendence of the ego and the self. As a practitioner immerses themselves deeper into the spiritual path, they begin to shed their limited sense of identity and merge with the divine essence. This idea challenges conventional notions of individuality and encourages a profound shift in perspective. Another important teaching is that of Ishq, which signifies love and longing. Sufis believe that the path to God is paved with love, and this love extends not only to the divine, but also to all of creation. The concept of Ishq inspires acts of kindness, compassion, and generosity towards fellow human beings. So how does one actually put these teachings into practice? Enter the walis, or friends of God. These individuals serve as spiritual guides and mentors, offering guidance and support to those seeking to walk the Sufi path. They are beacons of wisdom, and their teachings provide a roadmap to navigate the complexities of this spiritual journey. The impact of Sufism on a person's life can be truly transformative. By embracing its teachings, one can cultivate inner peace, serenity, and a deep sense of connection with the divine. Sufism encourages individuals to lead lives filled with meaning and purpose, always striving to be channels of love and light in an often turbulent world. But the influence of Sufism doesn't end at the individual level. It has rippled across cultures, shaping art, music, and literature around the world. For instance, the renowned Persian poet Rumi is a shining example of how Sufi teachings can transcend religious boundaries. His timeless poems and stories continue to inspire millions, reminding us of the universality of love and the importance of seeking unity amidst diversity. In a world that often feels fragmented and divided, Sufism offers a refreshing perspective. It calls for the breaking down of barriers, the embracing of diversity, and the celebration of our shared humanity. By fostering a sense of global citizenship, Sufism reminds us that we are all interconnected and that our actions have a ripple effect on the world around us. In conclusion, Sufism stands as a beacon of hope and tranquility in these uncertain times. Its ancient wisdom holds profound insights that can guide us towards inner peace and purpose. By understanding and embracing the core teachings of Sufism such as Tawhid, Fana, and Ishq, we can embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Let the timeless wisdom of the Sufis be a guiding light as you navigate the complexities of life and man. Their teachings bring solace and harmony into your life. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Global Spirit. If you found inspiration in the timeless wisdom of Sufism, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be part of a community that celebrates the beauty of diverse spiritual traditions. Stay tuned for more insightful episodes that explore the depths of human spirituality and the richness of our world as cultural tapestry. Until next time, may the teachings of Sufism bring you peace, and may your journey of discovery continue.